Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on these Gluten rice, the rice one, and basically this is Simply Salt gluten-free rice crackers. Check that out. So I've never tried this brand, so give it a shot. Here's the nutrient panel if you guys want to read this, pause the video. Basically rice flour, vegetable oil, and salt. So alright, let's do a quick taste test. Alright, so I've had rice crackers in the past, but these ones, let's see if they taste any different. Okay, so the difference with these ones are crunchy, but they're not gritty. These are made of just regular rice flour. They're not like the brown rice flour ones that I've done a review in the past, so they're not gritty. Definitely check out, guys. If you have any questions or comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. Just a salt taste to it. Other than that, there's really no other taste. But nice and crunchy.